Okay, this video is going to be titled Why You're Losing Money in Options. So, the reason I'm making this video is because this is something that really will transform your trading a lot, and it's so simple, and it's such an easy thing to manage, but so many people get this wrong. So, let's say on this move right here, I'm not going to say, for this example, this is not a B wave. Even though this is a B wave, I think it is a B wave. We're going to say this is the fourth wave and this is the fifth wave. If you're buying puts here because you think that, oh, it's gone up a bunch and it can't go up anymore, then you're playing it wrong. That's not how you trade. You're guessing, you're gambling, whatever you want to call it. You're gambling basically. The way you play this move is, let's say this is a fourth and this is a fifth wave. The way you play this move is you wait for it to move in the direction you want it to go. If you're buying puts, you wait for it to go down, and you still haven't bought them there. You still have not bought puts there. Then you wait for the pullback, and if you're thinking this is a first wave and then this is a second wave, you buy puts right here and you put a stop below this high right here. So then you know that you were wrong. But if it just pulls back right here and you buy them, and then you get that third wave down, that's where you make your money. You don't make money, especially on options, buying on the way up to do the counter move, because you're going to get burnt half the time. You might get lucky sometimes and catch it right, but again, you're still just gambling. Like, that's complete gambling. So that's almost like my number one thing for trading. If you just change that, I mean, that's just golden. You need to know how to read a chart too. Like, you need to know where you're at in the chart. You can use Elliott wave, whatever you want to use. But you just need to know, you need to trade with the trend. Don't buy an option against the trend, or you're going to lose money most of the time in your options. Because let's say this is a fifth wave, and you buy at 436, and it keeps on going higher like it did today, and it goes to 439, it pulls back, and then let's say you hold them overnight and then you wake up and we're at 442 and it's still going higher. You pretty much just lost all your money right there. So you should not be buying puts on a move like this, especially on today when it's clear that it's just a pump job. Wait until they decide to bring it down and then buy on the pullback. So yeah, that's just a quick little tip for anybody trading. When you're buying shares, it's the same thing too. You want to buy on when the trend is going your way with a stop below the high. Same thing, but on options, it's super important. Like on shares, you can pretty much average in and just dollar cost average and get your average, and it keeps on going higher. You can buy more and more. But on options, you don't want to do that because the theta will kill you as it goes too high. So, and another thing is never average down on options either. That's just another recipe for disaster, to lose plenty of money when you can be putting that into an asset, such as buying more shares of a company. So just a word of advice, what has really transformed my trading: to trade with the trend and don't guess or gamble, especially on options. So let me know in the comments what you think about that. Do you make the same mistake? And what do you use to trade? What is your technical analysis technique? Let me know what you think. I'd like to start a discussion about this, and hopefully that tip will help you with options. So I'll see you in the next video.